how to turn off or on shared notifications on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open a VK and now click this hub and then tap on these three lines and then click settings. Now go to notifications and after that you need to find here shared, click on it, and as you see here you can manage shared notifications and go to push notifications if you want to turn it off or on, and that's it. Then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.